Gujarat High Court is likely to decide on the petition filed by absconding IPS officer wanted for questioning by the CBI in the Ishrat Jahan case. Additional Director General P.P. Pandey has sought quashing of the complaint against him. He was declared an absconder after he twice failed to answer CBI's summons.
A crucial day in the Ishrat Jahan encounter case. The Gujarat High Court is expected to give its verdict on the petition filed by senior IPS officer P.P. Pandey seeking quashing of the complaint registered against him.
Ishrat encounter case is set for dramatic developments over the week, with the CBI all set to file charge sheet before the court mandated July 4. Speculation is rife whether there would be some clue as to the larger conspiracy aspects in other Gujarat encounter cases as well. But the tone would be set with today's Gujarat High Court order in accused top cop P.P. Pandey's plea to quash the Ishrat FIR itself.
All eyes also on the CBI charge sheet in the Ishrat Jahan case, which has to be filed by July 4th, with indications that IB officer Rajendra Kumar may not be named in the charge sheet following MHA's objections.
IB और CBI अगर झगड़ेंगे तो ये तो देश की आंतरिक सुरक्षा के लिए खतरा हो गया। IB का बहुत बड़ा महत्व है, पूरे विश्व में IB का रोल है, CBI का अपना महत्व है, लेकिन अगर ये दोनों लड़ गए तो फिर देश में कहां रह जाएगा गुप्त तंत्र, देश में कहां रह जाएगी वो सब चीजें जो देश को जरूरत है।
But the charge sheet may not bring much joy for the Modi government, something which the BJP is bracing itself for.
जिस प्रकार से आज इस देश की सरकार टिकी है, चाहे वो मायावती हो या मुलायम सिंह, इन दोनों के ऊपर तलवार लटका है सीबीआई का और सरकार उसे अपना बहुमत बनाई। वैसे स्थिति में सीबीआई यदि नरेंद्र मोदी के खिलाफ कार्रवाई करती है कांग्रेस के कहने पर, तो इसमें कौन सा आश्चर्य का विषय है?
A case where the political implications are very high, all eyes now on the developments which may have far-reaching consequences in the run-up to 2014 polls. Bureau Report, Times Now.